Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ram 2500 to a garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your truck's overhead console. To begin, you'll need to clear any pre-existing codes. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously for approximately 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash slowly, then rapidly, confirming the codes are successfully cleared and ready for new programming. Now, let's program a button using your existing garage door remote. Position your remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote at the same time. Keep holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then release both buttons. This indicates successful programming from the remote. If the previous step didn't work, your garage door opener likely uses a rolling code system. You'll need to use the Learn button on your garage door opener motor. Climb a ladder to access the motor unit and press the Learn or Smart button. You typically have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Quickly return to your Ram 2500 and firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. Once programming is complete, it's time to test it out. Press the home link button you just programmed to confirm your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't respond, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, ensuring you follow each instruction carefully. Also, double-check that your original garage door remote has fresh batteries if you used it for programming. You'll be opening your garage with ease in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.